turning on a light by touching it? Nah. That's right, clap technology was the thing 20 to 30 years ago, right? But now all you need is your phone. Even smart light bulbs are smart, right? Okay, those smart light bulbs are connected to your phone or a home hub, and information like your passwords are stored in the bottom of the bulbs.
If you throw that light bulb out, someone can just pick it up and they've got all your information right there in your trash can. One of the easiest ways for hackers to get into your home is if you don't change the factory set passwords on your device.
Okay, so whatever smart objects you have in your house, you need to change the factory set passwords. That is number one. Next, before getting rid of anything connected to your phone or Wi-Fi, you need to clear out the data, and you can start with the router itself. It's as simple as just putting a paper clip into the reset button on the back.
This is a Furbo, which is a dog treat camera.
Nothing my dog would like more than more treats.
Right, and don't forget any cameras you might have. If you didn't reset the password on the camera, it's easier for scammers to check in on what you're seeing as well.